Is anybody coming down the little hallway?
No, hang it.
That fire's gonna fly up. It's gotta be close as fuck to 11.
Close, is it?